I am extremely honored to follow in the footsteps of Mr. Ruben Daniels, who was a community servant leader. He was hired as Saginaw's second black police officer and the first black person elected to the city's Board of Education. Mr. Daniels also served as director of the First Ward Community Center on the city's northeast side. My late parents, Samuel and Octavia Dallas, were also the epitome of community servant leaders. During World War II, my father volunteered for Army service, while my mother volunteered as a clerk typist and stenographer in Washington, D.C. After they married, they moved to Toledo, Ohio, where they raised 9 children and served their community. This is the legacy that was passed on to me. After service in the United States Navy and employment in the technology field, I returned to higher education. My research explores communities and their rhetorical strategies, and my teaching philosophy encourages student involvement in local communities. My community service includes almost 15 years of service to planning commissions in Carlton Township and the city of Saginaw, and I currently serve as chair of a latter. Planning commissions manage local land use, balancing the quality of life for residents and economic growth from businesses. Working with community members, I facilitated grant writing workshops to help participants learn and understand the grant process. Finally, my community service aligns with Sigma Gamma Rho sorority. Their goals are ensuring the health and wellness of our communities and support volunteer service. These are some of the opportunities where I served as a community servant leader. I thank you, SVSU, for the honor and recognition given me for something that I enjoy so much.